got it running again here, guys. We just had to get it out so we can get some stuff in, and that's I just started it up and stopped it again, and just got to charge the batteries back up. But I think the crank position sensor must be going out again. Must be a typical Dodge deal on a Ford. Kind of letting it warm up a little bit here. She's coming up now. But I just thought I'd let you know, I couldn't get it started until my dad got it started, so I don't know, it's just usually how it goes. She's coming up. "34 degrees Fahrenheit. Can't really see it, or you see it. $195,000, can't see, 195,850 miles. That should be good enough.